Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox VC not working on mobile. First, let's ensure your device's microphone is enabled and that Roblox has the necessary permissions. Head into your phone settings, find Roblox, and grant microphone access. Also, confirm your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can disrupt voice chat. Finally, a quick check for Roblox server outages can save you a lot of troubleshooting time. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth experience. Next, let's dive into Roblox's in-game settings. Open Roblox, go to your privacy settings, and make sure voice chat is toggled on. Remember, voice chat is only available for users who are 13 years or older and have completed age verification. Double-check that your account meets this requirement. Also, within Roblox's audio settings, confirm that the correct microphone input device is selected. These steps are vital for activating the feature. If the problem persists, it's time for some app troubleshooting. Start by clearing the Roblox app's cache and data through your device settings. This often resolves minor glitches. After that, completely restart the Roblox application. If voice chat still isn't working, consider reinstalling the app entirely. Always ensure your Roblox app is updated to its latest version from your App Store, as updates often include important bug fixes. These steps can resolve many common issues. Finally, let's look at device and account specifics. A simple restart of your mobile device can often fix underlying system issues. Test your microphone with another app, like a voice recorder, to confirm it's working independently of Roblox. Try logging out of your Roblox account and then logging back in. If you've tried all these steps and voice chat is still not functioning, it's best to contact Roblox support directly for further assistance. They can provide more personalized help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.